This video will show you how to install a Guardian2. We will provide guidance to successfully install your Guardian2 to achieve the best possible monitoring results. Let's have a quick overview of the external of the Guardian2. Fitted at the top of the unit are the wind speed and direction sensor, dust inlet, microphone enclosure, and GSM and GPS antennas. Fitted on the bottom of the unit are the 12 volt DC socket for solar and battery options, filtered air inlet also used for VOC inlet, dust outlet, vibration sensor socket, microphone extension socket, and 110 to 240 volt AC mains power socket. Inside the Guardian2, fitted on the left of the unit are the power supply unit, M-Hub logger and power distribution board. Fitted in the middle of the unit are the VOC sensor, sound level meter, dust sensor and vibration logger. The preferred Guardian2 mounting method is using the supplied U-bolts to fix the unit to a 50mm scaffold pole. Alternatively, the Guardian2 can be mounted to a solid structure using the brackets on the corners of the case. Care should be taken when mounting to ensure there are no obstructions to external sensors. The microphone is fitted in the microphone enclosure and must be mounted to ensure there are no obstructions that could cause reflections. Alternatively, the microphone can be mounted remotely using an extension cable and associated accessories. The vibration sensor is supplied complete with a 25-meter cable. It is important that the geophone sensor is securely mounted using the 3 bolts provided to a solid surface like concrete, with the arrow pointing at the potential source of vibration. The integral spirit level indicates whether the sensor is level. Incorrect mounting will result in erroneous readings. The dust inlet must not be obstructed to ensure airflow can be maintained throughout the dust sensor. The wind speed and direction sensor must be aligned to north for correct readings. There is a small red dot and an arrow on the underside of the wind speed and direction sensor. Use a compass to locate north and rotate the assembly clockwise until the red dot and arrow align to north. The antennas have magnetic bases and should be mounted as high as possible to achieve the best reception. The GSM antennas require clear line of sight to the sky. Now it's time to power up the Guardian2 with the supplied 5-meter 110 to 240 volt AC power cable. The lead will attach to the unit using the twist and lock plug, which will form a secure watertight connection. The Guardian2 M-Hub LED sequence is as follows. The red LED flashes to indicate that the onboard backup power supply is charging. It will turn on permanently when charged. This may take up to 4 minutes. The blue LED will illuminate to indicate that the M-Hub is powered. The green LED will illuminate to indicate the onboard modem is powered. The orange LED will flash to indicate a successful connection to a mobile network. The red LED will turn on permanently when there is an active cellular connection. The green LED with orange flashes indicate the operating system is working correctly. The Guardian2 is now running and data will be sent to the Casella 24/7 online data management system where alerts and reports are managed. With international offices as well as a network of global distributors, Casella can provide the support you need wherever you are. Visit www.casellasolutions.com or email info@casellasolutions.com for more information.